Hello everyone. Today, we are going to talk about turmeric. We are going to cover what it is, what it looks like, where it comes from, and then we're going to get into the amazing benefits of this powerful root. So let's begin. Turmeric is a plant. It is a perennial plant, which means it lives for more than 2 years. It's in the ginger family, and it grows in many tropical climates. Turmeric has a long history of use in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine. In fact, it was used over 5,000 years ago. It is known as the golden spice because of its vibrant yellow color. It has a bitter, pungent taste and is often used in curry powder and other spice blends. Turmeric contains many beneficial compounds, but the main active ingredient is curcumin. Curcumin is a polyphenol and a very powerful antioxidant. It has anti-inflammatory properties, and it helps to boost the body's detoxification processes. Let's get into the amazing benefits of turmeric. Number 1, brain health. Studies show that curcumin can help improve brain function and memory by inhibiting the formation of amyloid plaques in the brain. Amyloid plaques are a hallmark of Alzheimer's disease, so anything that reduces their formation is beneficial for brain health. Curcumin also increases levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which promotes the growth and survival of neurons. This is important for learning and memory. Benefit number 2 is liver health. The liver is the body's main detoxification organ, and turmeric can help support its function. Studies show that curcumin can help prevent liver damage from toxins by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in the liver cells. Benefit number 3 is digestion. Turmeric has a long history of use as a digestive aid. It can help stimulate the production of bile, which is important for breaking down fats and aiding in digestion. Turmeric also has antibacterial and antifungal properties, which can help fight off harmful bacteria in the gut. Benefit number 4 is heart health. Studies show that curcumin can help reduce inflammation and improve endothelial function, which is the function of the inner layer of heart cells. This can help reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Curcumin also helps reduce the levels of triglycerides and LDL, or bad cholesterol. Benefit number 5 is anti-cancer properties. Many studies have investigated the anti-cancer properties of curcumin. It has been shown to induce apoptosis or programmed cell death in cancer cells while leaving healthy cells unharmed. It also inhibits angiogenesis, which is the formation of new blood vessels that supply nutrients to cancer cells. This helps to starve off cancer cells and prevent their growth. So these are just some of the amazing benefits of turmeric. I would definitely recommend adding this powerful root to your diet. You can take it in supplement form, or you can add the spice to your food. I personally like to add it to my curries, stir fries, and soups. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video.